Hello, I'm in a 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first we will go down by your driver's area here, and you should find a lever like this with a little tension that you pull, and you hear that pop. That's the safety releasing. If there's no tension, it may already be unlatched, but otherwise you want to check. Make sure all these cables underneath you can see there are connected and tight. If not, you might need to address that. But now we'll go up to the hood. And then usually right around the middle, see how it's loose now? Around the middle you should find a lever. It's right here. So we'll push and pull up. So push and then lift. That's it. So that's the part it hooks onto. And then this is that mechanism that we just did. And if you're having issues, maybe you got some gunk in here that needs cleaned up, a little WD-40, or potentially like your hood slightly out of alignment, or this part, you need to adjust those center. And if you're still having issues, these parts are pretty inexpensive, and the cables, if you need any of that replaced. But I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.